Hello YouTube. We're going to do the Avett Brothers today. I Go to My Heart off their album The Third Gleam. We're using a capo on the 4th fret and we have the guitar in standard tuning. So they start out just kind of strumming a couple G chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, D, G, A, D. You could play it finger style, whatever you want. So they go through that a number of times, and then before they go to the chorus, they go G, A, and they hold it for one measure after that on the A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the chorus begins. D, F sharp minor, G, A. Besides this way of playing the F sharp minor, you can play it with your middle finger or your ring finger on the strings 4, 3, 2, 1, and the bass with your thumb. So you play it however you'd like. Coming out of the chorus, after the whistling section of the chorus, he'll be coming around to the F sharp minor, the G, and the A. And then he holds that A for an additional measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back into the verse. La la la, la la la. And then to transition into the chorus again, he just goes G, A, D to the chorus. So that's a real fun song, and it's great to sing or play with someone else who's singing. And I hope you had a good time, and good luck with the song. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.